Cheers. What a market, everybody. What a market that we have in our hands right now. It's me and you and the boys. No music. Am I the only crazy one looking at the charts? I've been updating you with everything I got, everybody. Who is selling Shib? Who is buying Shib? What in the world is going on right now with the market? Phenomenal prices, going all ins, rescuing positions. It's getting really intense. Let me tell you something. It's getting really intense. And we got to the position that I was looking at. Man, this is really crazy. What is going on, everybody? And welcome back. We are here. That is a green candle, exactly the one I wanted to look for. A lot of people want to ask questions and answers because a lot of people are saying, what's going on? Phenomenal trades right now. Phenomenal trading right now. We're probably going to go. I got to turn off the fan. Everybody. What's going on, new? Welcome. We're live. Pretty crazy right now with the sell-offs. Like there's a lot of people moving. And I gotta tell you, we're having fun when it comes to the all-ins, guys. I was playing right now, and I just saw another dip for Bitcoin, 64,900. Now it is the second time, so this is relevant, very relevant. The second time we reached $64,000 Bitcoin right here. Oh boy, this is really good, guys. As soon as you're coming in, everybody, don't forget to smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. How is everyone doing tonight? Are you watching? I got Bitcoin. Let me go ahead and share it to Shiba Inu. Man, look at that beauty. I mean, it didn't even reach the level that I was looking for, actually. Man, it's just too good right now. It's just too good. It's crazy timing right now. Man. 4025, 4026. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. The trading works, the trading continues. Right here with Oscar Ramos. How's everybody doing? Holding Shiba Inu, waiting for my position to come in. We're waiting right now. Oh, going on, guys? Welcome. Nobody wants to watch the prices right now. People are scared. Well, that is what I'm looking for, guys. Man, Saturday, 60 watt 7. Then we have 403 yesterday. Now 404. Oof. I mean, I just made a video update for you guys right now. I told you about my quick all-in. It saved me because if not, I would have been losing positions right now. I would be losing money on Shiba Inu right now. But I'm making money right now because of that decision, guys. Do you watch the video? Just a quick one. I just wanted to keep updating you guys even more. I have to remind some folks that we are trading, not investing, right? Very different. Not many people can trade. It's not popular because you can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. But because I have Lux Algo, first link down below, get it as soon as possible. If you want to do trading, it's going to help you tons. The problem is, here's the problem. When you need to make the play, oftentimes, I mean, you're not available. So that's one of the reasons you could add price targets and triggers to buy for you. But there's something about going manual and doing it on your own, right? So man, that was just phenomenal. So right now, price of Shiba Inu is still not like it happened here, but it once again dropped. Like I'm gonna say, like something tells me, guys, that I mean, whales are playing. Like, I mean, people like me, but if I'm playing with a couple thousands of dollars, there are whales that are playing with millions of dollars. There's people who are doing what I'm doing. My boys need to drink something. Much better. There's people who are doing what I'm doing, but with millions of dollars. So I'm a little shrimp compared to them, right? Pretty insane. How's everybody doing, guys? No catching knives, right? That is true, guys. That is true. Smashing the like button. Let's get all Shiba Inu crypto army watching. I was looking at my watch as soon as I was going to swim, and just dropped from 68 to 64, 60. No, sorry, 66. 66. And I'm like, oh man, here we go again. And I just went like, whatever. Then I came out and I saw Shiba Inu dropped 4.25, and I'm like, we were at 4.27. Now it's 4.25. Now that I have my indicator, that was a 6% drop. It wasn't actually a big one per se, just 6%, but it was enough for me to make my move. I'm so happy. Why they're selling Shiba Inu gold? Because they want to make money, because they're making money. Because when you are an investor, you don't make money until you sell. When you're a trader, you make money because you sell. That is the difference. That is the big, fat difference. And I need a mega blood on the street like we had just right now. This one. I need something like this. This is 30 minutes, 1 hour. This is 1 hour and 15 minutes at 7 p.m. Exactly the time that I was at the gym. Are you kidding me? Exactly at the time I was at the gym, it happened. Oh man, it's because you cannot time them. You know, they just come at you whenever you least expect. Whenever you least expect. Charles, thank you so much for your kind donation, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Welcome, 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 welcome. Ah man, super crazy. Marcelo, stop lying to people. Lean is lying. Who's lying? I don't know who you're referring to, buddy. But stop doing that, buddy, please. Welcome, brother. I follow you for years. Appreciate it, Charles. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, Charles. Thank you so much. So here's what I'm thinking. We're already at 64,911. 15 minutes and it's going up. Obviously, I'm not starting in the best place if I want to do an all in. I have, oh, by the way, guys, I'm $10,000 up on call. I'm $10,000 up on call. The best decision I made in years. I'm $10,000 up on call. I feel like a pro, but honestly, I'm not doing much. It's just that I saw something that it just made sense. I went for it. It's been less than what? 3 days, about 3 days, $10,000 already in my pocket if I cash out right now. This is phenomenal, everybody. We're making money, bro. $10,000 up. I just, wow. Wow, bro. Bro. Cronos. This thing, if it lists on crypto.com, which it should list on crypto.com, guys, smash the like button and let everybody know we're live because tons of things are about to happen. Hopefully, we can start another all-in position right now, but I need a mega drop. Will it happen? Who knows? But I need a mega drop. Like I cannot buy right now. Like I'm learning a lot in my journey of being a trader. I'm learning a lot and I'm sharing with you guys. All my journeys. And I'm really liking it, Really liking it. Sell that garbage, bro. Well, for some people, garbage is gold, For some people, garbage is gold. Definitely good garbage if you think about it, but it is not. It is not. We're feeling good, guys. Happy to see you. 200 plus people here with me, DJs, looking at the price of Shiba Inu and working towards much better positions, guys. Now, many of you might be down in your Shiba Inu position. Some of you might be up. Some of you might be consolidated. Who knows? I think for the most part, a lot of people are down in your Shiba Inu position. I'm also down on other positions that I haven't sold because I was late in taking profits. So I never took profits. I was up like $1,000 profit on Jasmy, never took profits, and now I'm like $800 down on Jasmy. I'm click trade. I'm $800 down on Jasmy, right? I haven't bought more Jasmy right now. I'm waiting a little bit. Let's see, Floki. Are we positive, negative? We're negative. So basically, all of my positions right now are negative. The only one that saved me because of my all-in was Shiba Inu, because, and you see, there's the red. Like, I start to get to know my positions. I start to get to know the trades, and then we just have to attack it when you know it's a good one. Having over $10,000 putting all in one trade, I mean, with even 3%, even 2-3%, that's, I mean, you're making hundreds of dollars, and boom, you can close it, right? That's something that just happens and really helps you a lot, kind of like offset some other positions some there, which is good. You're still up 141 on Shib. That's awesome, buddy. You're an investor. That's really, really good. Wayne, what's going on, buddy? Videos about that. Okay. You only make money if you sell. Mark, 100%. Nothing grow with taking profits. Yeah, that's something I've learned. I mean, for example, here on call, I'm not taking profits because $11,000, guys. Oh man. Yeah, this thing is gonna make me like just $2,000 more, and I can buy 100,000 crow if I cash out. Like, I want to have 1,000,000 crow. I will need $130,000 to buy 1,000,000 crow. Could COD get me there? We'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Oh man, it feels so good, bro. So good to be making good money right now. I didn't buy whiff. I bought bonk. Let's go and get my shades, my glasses. It's all about timing. It's all about being patient right now, everybody. It's all about not rushing and finding the time. Like, what I need is just like a $64,200 Bitcoin, 64 $300 Bitcoin, and then I go all in because Bitcoin sellers are gonna stop. They're not gonna be winning with the buyers that were gonna come in once it drops. So Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, they have a similar relationship where if Bitcoin drops, like when I saw Bitcoin drop, I knew immediately Shiba Inu was gonna be down. But Shiba Inu is not down that much compared to Bitcoin. I mean, you see right now, we're in the 15-minute chart on the two of them, and Shiba Inu is high. Shiba Inu has been holding really strong, which I love it. Like right here, it's been holding really, really nice compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is possible to go retrace around the 60K. I know, Mark, you're 100% right. 100% right. Like Bitcoin seems that we're gonna go lower, guys. We're probably gonna go lower, guys. That's the trend, and we can still cash out and make some money in a downtrend, but it's extremely risky, and it is obviously not for everybody. But I'm I'm doing the best I can. Now, the good thing is that even if I go all in on Shiba Inu, which is very risky, and I don't get my position, I just fail, and my strategy fails. I just kind of have to hold it until the cycle comes back up. Which, what is better, to buy all Shiba Inu at 404 or 402 to 3 to 4? Obviously, right now. So that's the good side of the story, right? We're not buying the peak, we're not buying the top. We're just trying to find the good ways to make the most money possible, everybody. It's basically what it is. Shiba Inu is more likely to be $1. Press 1. Welcome, everybody. Happy to see you guys. Welcome. My brother is up $3,000 in Shiba Inu. Kudos to your brother, Red. Happy to see you. Welcome. You're waiting for 60K Bitcoin. Good. What is your prediction for Pepe? I don't know. That's one thing I don't know. I have no idea about Pepe, but I bought it because it's volatile. How much I'm down on Pepe? I'm 9% down on Pepe, and I bought it after it reached my level, so it just went lower, right? Because it is what it is. Now, I didn't buy Pepe at the top, which is good, but we just have to wait it out for a while. Now, going all in Shiba Inu is gonna be my savior for many of these different positions, because if I hit a home run, which I'm looking for the home run, I'm looking for the massive home run. That's what I want. That's what I want, a home run. But you gotta be waiting for that. It's like fishing. This is fishing, basically. I'm fishing for the lowest price because it can happen. Like right here, it happened, but not much in Shib. It was just 3%. So I'm looking for a 10%, like I told you, but because we're in a downtrend, it's much harder to do that. When we're in an upward trend, it's easier to do so. So right now it's like super risky. This is the definition of risky trading right now. I'm so happy that I have all my disclaimers at the bottom, because you know that this you shouldn't do, right? If you are not trying to lose money. But we are just having good times right now. Happy to see you all, everybody. 400 plus of you at 11 p.m. Central Time here in Texas, guys. We're just having good conversation, and I'm sharing with you the ideas, the plans, the news. Like the video, everybody. Subscribe to the channel and turn on those notification bells for more videos like this. First link down below, and the second ones, there's more. 11% down on Shiba Inu will average in a few days. Good. You had to take profits on Ethereum, but you bought it at $900. Well done, man. Well done. You can make money on both Doge and Shiba Inu 100%. That's true. Man. So watch out, like the thumbnail, right? Watch out. Because like let's go to the 1 hour right now. We are approaching the bottom of in the 1 hour. We are approaching the bottom in the 1 hour. So right now, if I let's clean right now. Look at this. Look at this. So this is really sort of like the best way to see Bitcoin, which obviously it's how altcoins are gonna move out. $73,000, which is the all-time high of Bitcoin, it was made on March 13th, just 5 days ago. 5 days ago, guys. What is 5 days? 5 days is like 2 weeks in crypto. It's just so long. So what it means is it is much more likely to go to 60,000 than to 70,000 once again, based on the trend, unless we change. But it's now harder to do so. It's just difficult. Now here in the 1 hour, we touch a 64. That's why I'm saying, like, we already touched a 64. It was massively rejected at 68. Once again, we touched 64 right after. Then we are 68. Now we're back once again at 64. Triple top. Sorry, triple bottom, triple top. Triple bottom, double top. So it's all making sense. Roberto, thanks a lot for your kind donation, buddy. Appreciate it. Welcome aboard. Hello, Oscar, Plano, Texas in the house. Let's go. Welcome. This is the buying zone. Charles, not necessarily, bro. The idea that I'm trying to tell you right here, everybody, is seems like we're going to get much better deals. And I need blood on the street, which you know I love, to get into a position. And even when I get into a blood on the street position, there are no guarantees, guys. There are no guarantees. Never guarantees that I'm going to make my money back, right? So I have to be extremely diligent. Now, what in the world is this? Bitcoin dropped to $8,000. Bitcoin just hit $8,000 on BitMEX exchange after a user sold more than 400 Bitcoin instantly. Price have not returned to normal. BitMEX is investigating. What? That's pretty crazy, you know. Breaking, a roach seller BitMEX Bitcoin spot market rapidly sold over 400 Bitcoin, bringing the price to as low as $8,900 on BitMEX. Whoa. 86% Bitcoin sell-off basically and immediately. So that is obviously an exchange error. But I don't know how that will work with the positions made. Just to give you an idea what happens right now, guys. Phenomenal. And I'm making a 5D. Oh my. This is, I mean, I know this might not be like the most money that people can make in a meme coin, right? But when I see $11,000 or almost $11,000 in my position, I'm just so happy. Oh, that's so good, man. Call is gonna be my money maker. We deleted 3 zeros already. I came in at 8 zeros. No, 8 zeros. That's where I came in. I think we can go all the way to 6 zeros easy. That will be maybe, just maybe $100,000. There you go. Bitcoin coming down a little bit more right now, but we'll see if we go much lower. This is the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Let's see. There it is. Don't forget to smash the like button. Let's get 500 people right now watching. Welcome aboard. How's everybody doing? You like the blood on the streets? I hope you do. And if you don't like it, then welcome to crypto. When am I gonna start Crow? Not anytime soon, bro. Not anytime soon. I'm waiting on that one. I'm a trillionaire. Like, I'm just chilling, bro. It's barely starting, Crow. Barely starting, bro. And obviously, there are gonna be some whales that are gonna be selling. They're gonna bring the price super down. Don't care, bro. I don't think I'm gonna see my average price again. So I'm just chilling. I'm riding that beauty to who knows, right? has to be listed on crypto.com, has to be listed on Max Global, has to be listed on Gate.io, has like it's gonna be listed in many different places, and you only know if we ever get another Corgi AI type of thing. Boom, bro! Like richness, bro. Those are the plays we always think about, right? Where is the 100x? Where is the 50x? Like, tell me, Oscar, where is that 50x? Give me something, Oscar. Well, about 3 days ago on Friday, I gave you something. I posted everywhere. I was completely transparent to everybody what I was doing. And whoever listened, it's $10,000 up like me. Simple as that. As simple as that. San Antonio in the house. Jerry, what's going on, buddy? Happy to see you. Welcome, welcome. Thank you over the crypto, over the top. Appreciate that a lot, buddy. Welcome. 60. I mean, we're going to 64 once again. That's it, guys. I'm calling it. It's happening, guys. Not buying right now anything at all until we see a massive drop, which is just gonna happen. Yeah, I knew it. That's why it was paramount for me to leave that Shiba Inu position. I was feeling it, man. I was like, I need to be even and then just wait. It's always good because you don't want to get stuck. You don't want to really get stuck. Be careful with your investments, though. What takes months to grow is going to be less than 1 hour. Sometimes, right? Jerry, what's going on, buddy? Happy to see you. Welcome. It's on fire. Yes, it is. And we're also on fire here because we're the sell-offs are happening right now very strongly. 4025. I mean, Shiba Inu has to drop big one. Guys, we might go all in right now. We might go all in right now. Let's see. Are you 52% holding, buying 32%, selling 14%? Most people holding right now with 500 votes. Welcome aboard. How much tectonic, Jose? Great question. Today I just made a 5,000 purchase on tectonic. I have some really good tectonic positions right now. I'm just set for whatever happens. That's what I did today. Also, feeling really good. I had to do it because I'm supplying, so I just wanted to make sure I'm ready on VVS, tectonic, Cronos, and CAW. I'm surprised CAW is not selling enough. I'm just so surprised. It's like people are taking money out of Bitcoin and putting it into CAW. I don't know why. 61% people immediately say yes, but a lot of people say no. Oh, that's actually surprising, fam. You don't want me to go all in. That's pretty crazy. Not wait yet. I'm a long-term holder in Shiba Inu, so I've been letting all but $500 just enjoy the ride. Walk by fade. Welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. That's going to reach $1 whenever it sells right away. Moises. Isn't that amazing, bro? You have another chance to get cheap crow. Isn't that amazing? You know how many people are going to be banging the door when Cronos is like 90 cents? Any idea how many people are going to be trying to get one Bitcoin when it's close to $100,000? Do you have any clue? Like, do we really, don't people see it? Don't people finally understand that this is obviously so obvious? We got $74,000 prior to Bitcoin halving. There's almost a 90% chance that we're not going to see $73,000 once again before halving. It just makes total sense. We're going to go to 50,000 Bitcoin. Hopefully not less, but maybe you better have cash in hand. if you are not prepared, you're going to not take the most out of this. I hope people see it, because if not, then you're just wasting time, guys. We got to be smart. We got to just embrace the opportunity. It's what it is. Let's go. Shiba Inu get down to the 22, 23. That's true, buddy. That's true. Man, you even cry for $100. Who? What about Book of Meme? I'm out of. I'm not touching Solana meme coins at all. I don't know them. I wish everybody the best on Solana meme coins. I don't know Solana meme coins. That's one thing. Like, if I don't know something, I'm not touching it, bro. That's what it is. Bitcoin will bounce 60 to 62. You think so? Think so? Life changing time for crypto. It took me years to get on board. Now that we're here, fam, right? Now that we are finally here, we need to wait for the massive blood. Now, what I need is, honestly, based on what I'm seeing right now, I don't even want to buy at 4024. I don't even really want to buy at 4024 Shiba Inu. I think I need a new one. So if I come to the 4 hours right now, we put 4023 on the 16th, so 2 days ago. We pumped all the way, which it was about 20%, which that's why I would want to do it an all in, because that's when you make the most money, right? That's when you really take the opportunity to make awesome money. But based on this, no, fam. Let's see the 1 day. Okay. I have another support line right there. I'm going to go ahead and open up a little bit more of this. All right. So what am I working on here? 4023, 4020. 4023, 4020. At the beginning of March, we passed through it all the way to the moon, right? Obviously, we reached by a pump 4045. We were live. It was phenomenal. We could be having some bull traps along the way from 4025 all the way to 4020. If you're watching this live right now, just be mindful, guys. Volatility and uncertainty crush bulls, right? And looking at 65 Bitcoin, chances are when we wake up tomorrow, we will see blood. Quinn in the house. What's going on, buddy? Happy to see you. Welcome aboard. You don't want to sell at a low, buy low, sell high. Of course. Do you suggest investing in Shiba Inu? I'm investing in Shiba Inu. I'm buying Shiba Inu. Yes, I'm doing it. It just made me $1,000 in 1 minute, literally. I was at the gym. I saw the opportunity. Bought $11,000 worth of Shib. That was 480 something million Shiba Inu tokens. And I was like, well, go for it. And I did it. And immediately what I was losing in Shiba Inu came back positive. Boom. Done. It's like the bottom. Thank you very much, Quinn. Appreciate it. This may be Shiba Inu's lowest before the next rip. Agree. I mean, let's be honest here. Like, I don't really think Shiba Inu is going to go back to 5 zeros. I mean, going back to 5 zeros is demolishing people's morale. Going back to 5 zeros is basically calling. I mean, going back to 5 zeros is everybody's worst nightmare, basically. Back to 5 zeros. Everyone's worst nightmare. I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't want it to happen. That will be the best deal ever, but it's basically retracing 100% from all of the gains. All right. I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think so. Now, where do I think is the lowest that we could go? Guess what? It's all dependent on Bitcoin, how fast it could drop. Like I'm saying it, like I'm telling you from the way I see it. If Bitcoin goes $59,000, Shiba Inu is gonna be in the 4020. 4020, then we welcome 401 again. And if people bought at 404, you are losing a lot of money if you sell, which means I wouldn't sell. Yeah, 40110, you don't think we're gonna see it, which makes sense. I just bought 50K Shiba Inu, Crypto Queen. Happy to see you, Crypto Queen. Welcome. Wells 150 is 100%. Lauro, happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. Bitcoin to 55,000. It's not a bad idea. It's basically $10,000 down. If I open up Bitcoin right now, I mean, let's take a look at this, guys. We're talking about predictions. We are discussing what we will call speculation. Nobody knows what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm a human being. I don't know what's going to happen. But I'll tell you guys. Check this out. In the 1 day, this is my Lux Algo indicator telling me that this is the oversold type of great position at $40,000. $40,000 Bitcoin. I know it sounds so ridiculous, but similar to how ridiculous we went to 73,000 Bitcoin. I mean, we go to 40,000 Bitcoin. That would basically demolish everyone's bullish momentum, and that will be your buy alert. 40,000 Bitcoin. Now, 40,000 Bitcoin is just insanity, right? That's like, are you kidding me, Oscar? You were lying to me, Oscar. You don't know what you're doing, Oscar. Why are we at 40,000 Bitcoin? I mean, that's your signal to basically go all in because everybody's fighting, right? We all know that Bitcoin is going to go to $100,000. We all know that Shiba Inu is going to go to 301. Like, I am one of those realistic people that I'll say like it is. Like, we topped. Now here comes the retracement. Do you think Shib will hit all-time high before or after halving craze? Absolutely. This is never going to be hitting before halving. No chance. Like, just look at the trend right now. There's no way we're going to be touching 408 before halving. I mean, just look at the trend. Like, right now we only have the what? The FOMC meeting at the end. FOMC meeting is not going to do anything. I mean, they're going to halt or raise the interest rate, not much. Don't care much. I mean, it's just not going to affect much. That has stopped being important because inflation is just not living in a long time, and it's just not that, in my opinion, relevant to our situation right now. The clear thing is that we're doing phenomenal in crypto. There's a lot of people making money. People are selling. They're cashing out profits. And we're expecting one last massive dip before we actually rip. That's what I've been saying even before we were having these corrections. Even before. Whew. So good, right, guys? Welcome to all 600 plus of you guys. How's everybody doing? Try to give you updates on everything that's happening. I'm so happy. There's so many different creators and sources of information. And you remember how long we waited right here? We made insane amount of content. Everybody made insane amount of content, basically saying we're gonna go to 201. And as we were ending the funnel, I'm like, this is gonna be a breakdown or a breakout. First day that we got the red candle, I'm like, oh, watch out. And now we're basically seeing the end of this trend. And if I wake up tomorrow and this is red, blood on the streets, all ruby red, and then yep. If I have a great opportunity, we make another all in, and I'll be excited to share with you all the latest. Today I did my first one, and it was a success. Hoping that my second all in is also a success. Because if it's a better success, then I can be offsetting my losses that I already have by buying much earlier than I should have. That's the thing, when it comes to these positions. I mean, the good thing is that I'm not buying the top. That's what I care. I'm not buying the top on anything. So it just gives me opportunities to hold and continue holding. Continue holding. You like the mega space? That was really, really fun. We're looking at 2. Ooh, wow. Just first seeing this. 2.45. Baby. 2.45 trillion, guys. This was 2.70. That was 2.70, guys. Let me take a look at the comments. Oscar, I have a $21 million store if you're interested. Otherwise, I was thinking of sharing it with Ben at BitBoy. Good stuff. $21 million store. That's great, buddy. The rule is simple. I've been here for the last 10 years when Doge was 002 to back 0.7, down to 0.1. Keep adding to your bag, especially at 10% dip days. Yeah, investing is easy. Just that I wanted to step it up a notch. Yeah, don't get caught on holding your backs at the end of the bull run. 100% walk by faith, 100%. Irving, happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. As we talk about investing hundreds and thousands, there are companies investing millions. Yeah, I know. That's what I said. Like, what I'm investing, what I'm trading is peanuts compared to other people. But it's okay. I mean, that's fine. Still in awe with my crow with knife position. 91% today. 91% today. And I'm taking all of that to the bank. So anyone holding call, let me know in the comments right now. Get your crow emoji. Shout out to my crow fam, to all everybody in the gang, learning and walking with me. Even if you're a Shiba Inu holder, you might also hold crow. I mean, you never know, right? Call, because you always want to have those opportunities. There you go. We have some. A lot of people say, "Go all in, Oscar. Go all in." You're about to sell car and go to bed. Hello, everybody. I'm holding 121 ocean tokens. Bad. Efanes, appreciate your kind super chat. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Netherlands in the morning. That's cool. T, happy to see you. Welcome. Okay, so this is what's interesting. They're rectangles. They're rectangles. Those rectangles are dangerous. Rectangles are dangerous because it's just basically a short-term consolidation, man. Mantra is doing good. What are your thoughts about that? I don't know about that one. I'll take a look at it. Appreciate the fans. Thank you so much. All right. Wow. Not bad. 2000% the last year. Wow. Well, something happened, I'm sure, right? Ethereum ERC20, million supply, markets on, well, I mean, it's on Binance. So if you're on Binance, then just as long as you're doing good stuff, you're going to be pumping a lot. Good job, guys. I don't know what it is, but, I'll have to take a look at it a little bit more in depth, but interesting. Hey, if you're on Mantra, kudos to you. Defense, make the money. Make the money. Thank you so much. Just got into call today. Do you? That's I think one of the things that a lot of people still don't get in crypto. You don't have to wait for any influencer to tell you what to do, right? It's your money. It's not my money. You do you. Focus on you. Make your own monies and get out. You don't have to report to anybody. You don't have to be ashamed. You don't have to be worried that people are gonna say, "Oh, you sold." No, do what's best for you, and that's it. Nobody's gonna tell you anything. You always are gonna get backlash, especially if you're an influencer or somebody who makes videos, right? You're always gonna get back because people don't get the whole point, and they will never, will eventually. But the people who come and really are paying attention will what you're trying to do. And that's it, guys. I mean, at the end of the day, nobody's going to be talking about these subjects when we are all enjoying ourselves in the peak of the bull market. Nobody's going to be discussing. Thank you, Luis Morales. Appreciate that a lot. Exciting times ahead. With the blood on the streets, The mega blood on the streets. Go all in and hold long term, Andrew. That also works. Mill Day. I haven't heard that one, bro. There's just so many tokens, bro. Oh, it's a new one. No, bro. I honestly haven't heard of that one. But if it's doing phenomenal, I wished it the best. Is the bull market over? Bull market is it has started, but it's not peak bull market. So which it makes absolutely no sense since Bitcoin already touched all-time high. So there, hence the question, right? Well, are we in the bull market because Bitcoin already reached all-time high? Well, historically speaking, we have to pass halving and then go back to our positions. Because after that, we just send it to the moon. We just send it to Mars. That's what happens all the time. All the time. Lazarus, happy to see you. Welcome. Just put on that pumping music, create content. Lemon. When it's the night, it's just my voice. When it's the day, we are pumping. That is 100% true. If for some reason you do require a little bit of a push from me, there's the link down below for the Patreon. I've been getting a lot of new people, which is really good. It's my Discord server, so my private community. I reply to you via audio because I'm busy. So you ask me a question and I reply to you via audio. Sometimes I type, and whatever immediate question you got, concern or so, you got me. Link is down below. You can find my community. So we're watching right now on the screen Shiba Inu. Once again, follow that rectangle that I drew. Once again, follow that rectangle that I drew. You see? Oh, baby. Oof. Woo. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. And that's the beautiful thing about crypto. You just don't know when the world is gonna occur, and you're just sometimes you just need to have the money. If not, then you're not making anything. Why wouldn't you sell all of your crypto before the bull market ends? You can only hold anything longer. What about Floki? You in? Yes, I'm in Floki. I'm holding my Floki because I went in earlier than expected. Can you believe it? Like, I didn't go all in. I didn't go all in on Floki, but I bought some positions of Floki. I'm holding them. Not selling, obviously, if I'm losing. That Milady token is marked as honeypot on CoinMarketCap. So just letting you know. Milady token is doing phenomenal, or Mill Day token. I got confused. Thank you, Bitson. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sell your Shiba Inu fast. It's going down to 0. Oh man. The more comments of that, the more comments like that we get, the better times for buying because the FUD is increasing. Gotta let the FUD increase, guys. It's just the way it is. I don't know if you remember. It was what like about a week ago or so, a week and a half ago or so, or no, actually, even more than that, because yes, it was the wait. This is Shiba Inu, right? Yes. 18. Oh, no, no, no. I'm looking at the 15 minutes. Yeah, it was basically the beginning of March. The beginning of March. So we're looking at 12 days ago, 14. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, basically. 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, we were doing the lives, and there was obviously more people because obviously more people want to see the Shiba Inu price pumping. And I was like, I remember saying it many times. I was like, you don't buy Shiba Inu till you start getting the flooding comments. You don't buy Shiba Inu until, so that's how you know the times are coming. And we're starting to get them. We're starting to get them. So we like it. Doge to $1. Doge to $1 can happen for sure. It's one of those that Doge to $1, it will be an amazing event for Elon Musk and Twitter and a lot of people. And knowing that Bitcoin is gonna be passing $100,000, Dogecoin to $1 just makes total sense. But you just have to wait to see it. Welcome, Elia. Happy to see you. That your Shiba Inu buy bomb. How is that bomb doing actually? How is that bomb doing? Huh. Would you look at this? Come so fast. What position is it? 141. This garbage was like 80 or so, right? Like it got super high. You got a 1.42. Like it went really nuts, super fast. Now it's like it lost everything so fast. Not touching this thing. These are some of the things that I wouldn't even day trade or so, because I know that it was just made for rug pulling, or I mean, making the early investors rich, and that's it. There's more background on Pepe than on that bone. That's just for sure, guys. That's what's happening right now. Oscar, why is the Bank of Japan going crazy right now? What does that mean? I actually haven't seen that. What is happening with the Bank of Japan? I have my phone right here while we wait. Ah, Shiba Inu, I see you are in the red. Shiba Inu, you see? Have to be patient, which is something that none of us like to do, right? I know. Bank of Japan. I was hearing something like that. What's going on? Bank of Japan hikes rates for the first time in 17 years, a historic shift. Is that what's going on? Why Bank of Japan shake up markets before Fed's interest rate? Bank of Japan may exit the world's largest negative rates next week. Okay. Why borrowing will lost once Bank of Japan ditches the negative rates? All right. Yeah, I mean, those are news that I will have to invest a little bit more time to digest them. They're just too high level for me right now to go through them. Shiba Inu will never recover. Yes, we're getting the comments. We're getting the comments. We're getting the funny comments. Good. We are approaching. We're approaching the level that I wanted. I know some of you guys will get that I'm ironic in a way. Like, why am I being so happy about it? It's just that it's psychology. It's the way that it is, guys. Those are the same people that say Shiba Inu is going to go to $1 and it's going to go to 1 penny once we're FOMOing, right? The same people. They just play the opposite roles. That's just what happens. You have to ignore the FOMO people that are insane, and you have to ignore the FUD people that are insane. The extremists, basically. The extreme angles in the spectrum. You have to be solid, laser focused on the strategy that you're trying to implement. It's just what it is. So many people have no idea about Shib. They'll be kicking themselves so bad next year. Great gains, great gains. 4025. What is going on? 600 people of you. If you're liking the content, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Crazy times right now. Crazy times ahead of us. We are going to make the best of it. Crazy dump liquidation. Oscar, could you do something about this guy? Let me see. Who is it? It's the last time I am saying that you're all going to lose all your money, sell your Shiba Inu fast. I get it. I get it. I think you've been saying it for a while. Just stop if you don't want me to get you muted. I'm not going to ban you, but we get it. Just hold on for a second. All right? Plus, that is in a way spamming. So hold on for a second. I think we all are making our own choices, basically. People lost thousands with Shiba Inu 2 years ago. It's true. It's true. I hope some of those people made some profits in this 4045 recovery. That was a good recovery. That was a good recovery. Yep. Yeah. Beautiful, man. A car. You see? Coming down. Love it. Let people sell. Let people sell. I'm already, I mean, got to a point that I was 200% already up. I mean, just insane, bro. Let me see what people are saying, my friends and everybody here saying on Twitter. Because I'm looking what the world is saying on crypto. Because, man, Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Let's see. 30 days to go for halving. 30 days to go for halving. Grayscale sees record outflows from the spot Bitcoin ETF with 643 million worth being sold. Boom. There you have it. Outflows. Grayscale. All right. The big reason why, we're going down. People, I think, are already saying, you know what? We were late. Let's get out. If Bitcoin won't start reversal in between 63 to 66, then we can see bearish days to 55. I'm expecting reversal around 63, 64. Yeah, that's where I'm planning to. If I want to make money in my all-in, I need to wait for the massive dump. And right now, that massive dump is probably still not here, and it's loading. And this consolidation, like I'm telling you right now, at any time, I'm just waiting for it. And I know how to identify it, and boom, get out. Crypto is about to be at 80,000 next Sunday. You heard it here first. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Even though I'm a K9 see you, bro, you chill. No one can tell the limit. Finally, he got banned. Yes, I banned him. Well, not banned him, just muted him for a while. Hmm. Going on, my man? Crypto Kip in the house. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Going to be a fantastic opportunity to buy if we dump to that 55, 59 level. When we were talking in the mega cronos space, I said it. I knew a lot of people were bullish, bro, but I mean, I knew it. I think we were really high on that Bitcoin rainbow chart, going to hold position. We should be looking to be in the 55 to 65,000 at Bitcoin halving. So, uy. Oscar, you think AI coins will boom? Yes, they will. I think so, Legacy. It's just about waiting until the end of 2024 when finally there's no more Bitcoin halving, there's no more, any unexpected events, and we just can rally back up again in the altcoin season. That's what we need. That's what we're expecting, basically. All right, fam. My mission was completed, which, wanted to chill with you, fam. What's happening here in the space, in the markets for a while. I haven't bought any Shiba Inu after what I just did a couple hours ago. I came back. If you're just coming in right now, I came back from a 800 plus down position on my Shiba Inu, back to broke even. I'm really happy for it. I'm down on other positions because now the market turned more bearish. And it's okay in a way. I mean, I'm basically losing on a lot of positions right now. I have, let's see, $34,000, and there's $9,000 losing plus cash. Yeah, I mean, there's some really down positions that I have. Nothing to be proud of, but not selling anything, of course, until they're positive, which If we do get a reversal, which hopefully, then I will be cashing out some and just making sure I'm positioning myself. The thing is that um, my all in Shiba Inu, I'm waiting for it. It has to be good. It cannot be at these levels. It has to be much better, so I can offset some of the losing positions that I have right now. Trading is fun, especially in this circumstance, but you really have to be careful. Link down below Lux Algo what I'm using. It works. It's just that sometimes you're not at the perfect time to make the trades because Bitcoin and crypto they move so fast, and it is just what it is, right? Now, there's a lot of people that are expecting Shiba Inu, Bitcoin to drop much lower, and Shiba Inu will, by definition, drop much lower. Be careful, guys. Be very careful. I am not pulling the trigger yet. I'll update you once that happens. Where do you think Bitcoin will go? 50, 40, or 60? I wish to tell you exactly with preciseness and accuracy, but I think in this 1 hour we already discussed the possibilities, and you ready? Because now it seems that we finally have ended the pre-Bitcoin halving rally. It seems that way. Things can change, but we're seeing right there right now. Shiba Inu, Orsios 253. Uy. Got so much water and coffee and everything here. Crazy. Oof, feeling good. Okay, no spamming. Goodbye, spam master. I know, right? It's just people who have nothing else to do, bro. Kids, kids. Nothing much you can do with kids. One minute for 12. Let's see. There it is, 12. You see? Crypto is insane, bro. Like 12 and immediately comes up a little bit. Um, it's just 2% to go to 4024. Sad but true. I think I'm not gonna be able to make my all-in transaction in the next couple of minutes because obviously it's late for me right now here in the US. I need to be awake and looking at my charts and levels. I could be putting a trigger, but I could do that maybe later on. So the way I see it, it will be too good to be true if by the time I wake up tomorrow, Bitcoin is still at this level, because then I will have a chance, to start trading a little bit more. But because it is high risk, high reward, I get a good position. I come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% up, boom, made $2,000, $1,000+. There you go. And that it feels amazing, and it's not that hard. It's just being at the right time in the right place and just doing it. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. Great to see all the community here coming in. Honestly, it's super late. Obviously, not many people here in the US are awake, but I'm just happy to have my awesome community, with me. Honestly, really, really good. Oh, okay. Just want to give a shout out to all of you guys for being here with me, for joining us. Makes a lot of sense. It just means a lot. Means a lot. Um, I think we are close to pass. We're just growing really fast. growing really fast. And when you work a lot, people notice. People notice really well. Have cash in hand, fam. Have cash in hand. It's going to help you a lot. And I'll keep you updated, right? As I just made a quick video on Shiba Inu, my first all in. It worked. And we'll see if my second all in can get even better. Because I know $1,000 might not be the best return on investment, but I love it since I don't know the future. So the second one should be coming in pretty soon. We'll see tomorrow, Tuesday, and I'll keep you updated. All right. Thanks so much, fam, for coming into this space to learn a little bit more and get to know with the vibes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells. For now, we'll come back tomorrow with more juice. Time for us to relax and enjoy with the fam and decompress for a second. Be safe. Thanks a lot for my members, new subscribers, and donations. Appreciate that a lot. I'm out. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Thanks so much for the kind viewership. Because remember, we had 4,000, over 2,000 people when things were doing really well. Your job and my job is to get there with better bags, right? With better Shiba Inu crypto bags. So whether you do trading or investing, do it. Peace. Let's go, everybody. Thanks so much. Have a good one and enjoy. Bye.